Okay, let's continue with our discussion. Okay, the question reads, Hakima pressed this number on her calculator and then Azwan adds this number to that number. The total number is then subtracted by this number. Okay, so bahasa will be 47,000 and then menambah nombor ini. Kemudian hasil tambah itu dikurangkan sebanyak ini. So question 1, write down the mathematics sentence based on the statement above. So your ayat mathematic will be 47,916 adds, so you have to plus 9,846 and then you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. Or you read the bahasa on dikurangkan. So dikurangkan, you have to minus, tolak. Minus this number, 11,413. So this is your mathematics sentence. Then question 2, state the answer based on the mathematics sentence. So nyatakan jawapan. So you have to calculate this. Okay, so you have to show your calculation here. 47,916 plus this number. Okay, 57,000. And then you bring your number here, you have to minus 11,000. So 57,000 minus 11,000. Okay, so you borrow 10. This one minus 1. Okay, so this is how you answer this. Okay, the next one. The diagram above contains 100 boxes each, P and Q. Find the fraction of the shaded parts. Cari pecahan bagian yang berloret. Okay, so what is a fraction? Okay, we learned that fraction looks like this, pecahan, or like this, or like this. Okay, so you have to write your answer like this. So find the fraction of the shaded parts. Let's look at P first. Okay, so the total is 100 boxes. Okay, you don't have to count anymore. So the total is 100 boxes. We have to find how many boxes are shaded. So this one row over here, one row, there are 10 boxes. You are not sure, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so one row is 10. Two rows will be 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, but over here, there are 5 boxes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 over here, 5 over here. So 5 times 5 is 25. Just now we calculated here there are 50 boxes. So 50 plus 25, you get 75. So out of these 100 boxes, 75 boxes are shaded. 75 berlorek. But is this the final answer? Okay, a lot of you wrote this answer, 75 over 100. Okay, remember for fraction, you have to simplify it. You have to make it as small as possible. So how do you do that? You have to divide it. Okay, divide it. If you still remember your CFIR 25, okay, you did your CFIR 25 many times, right? 1 times 25, 25. 2 times 25 is 50. 3 times 25 is 75. 4 times 25 is 100. So 75 over here you can divide 25. 100 you can also divide 25. Because they are in the CFIR of 25. Okay, 75 and 100, they are here. Okay, so 75 divide 25, we get 3. 100 divide 25, we get 4. Okay, you just look here. 100 divide 25, you get 4. And then 75 divide 25, you get 3. So the final answer is actually 3 over 4. Okay, now we move on to Q. Okay, similarly, we have to calculate how many boxes are shaded. Berapa petak yang berlorek? So you count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So altogether there are 28 boxes that are shaded. Okay, so 28 over 100. Okay, this is the total. The question already tells us this is 100 boxes. So you just put it over 100. So again, is this the final answer? Can we make this number smaller? Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. Because you look at 8 is an even number. 0 is also an even number. Okay, so for even number, we can all divide 2. So here you can divide 2 first. Or for those who are smarter, you can straight away divide 4. Because just now you divide 4, just now you divided 4, you get 25, right? And then this is CFIR 4 or CFIR 7. So 28 divide 4, you get 7. So the final answer is 7 over 25. Okay, the second part, the question 2 will be very easy because the question 2 asks for the fraction for unshaded parts. Pecahan bahagian yang tidak berlorek. So we already found out the shaded parts. So the non-shaded part will be very simple. You just take the total and minus the shaded part. Then you get the non-shaded part. Ambil jumlah dia, tolak yang berlorek, awak akan dapat yang tidak berlorek. So we look at P first. So the total will be 4 over 4. Okay, the full fraction, 4 over 4. So we minus the shaded one. It's 3 over 4. So what do you get? 4 minus 3 is 1. The bottom remains the same, remains. So the unshaded part for P is 1 over 4. And then for Q, the total, the full fraction will be 25 over 25, the complete one. We minus 7 over 25. So 25 minus 7, you get 18. And then the bottom is 25. So this is your answer for the unshaded part. Okay? Alright. That's all for this round. I'll see you next time.